Hello, welcome all of you to my channel Dajlanka. Today I brought you a super luxury car in world in 2021 which introduced by Rolls-Royce. 2021 Rolls-Royce Phantom is the new super luxury car which was introduced to car world. Today I will going to share some introduction of the car which features helped you to know about it. World's number 01 car market from Rolls-Royce. So we start now. If the Mercedes-Benz S-Class is the automotive equivalent to a first-class flight, the 2021 Rolls-Royce Phantom is a luxury private jet with an onboard masseuse and a Michelin-starred chef. Its imposing design blends classic Rolls-Royce cues with more modern elements to create stately curb appeal that's second to none. The cabin, especially that of the extended wheelbase model, is exceptionally spacious and extraordinarily comfortable. The finest leathers, woods, metals, and fabrics are carefully chosen to deliver a palatial ambience. Of course, interior trimmings, options, and exterior colors are customizable, but those personalization options will add significant cost to the Phantom's nearly $500,000 starting price. Then again, if you want something special in your Rolls and cost is no obstacle, the company will be more than happy to accommodate your wishes. One does not simply choose a Phantom, or any Rolls-Royce for that matter, off the dealer lot. No. These cars are built to the exacting requirements of the millionaires and billionaires who can afford them. These carriages of the rich are often customized down to the last detail. We won't even begin to suggest which special order options are worth adding because, well, what would we know? We would, however, suggest springing for the extended wheelbase model to take advantage of its limousine-like rear seat legroom. As they say, go big or go home. Engine, transmission, and performance. Prodigious power is provided by a silken 563 horsepower twin-turbo V12 paired with an 8-speed automatic and rear-wheel drive. Acceleration is brisk, but Rolls-Royce's claimed 5.1 seconds 0 to 60 mph time isn't anything you'd appreciate your chauffeur trying to replicate. The Phantom is better suited for wafting along with delicate inputs to throttle and steering. To say that the ride is smooth would be an understatement. Imagine being carried along on a fluffy cloud. The Phantom practically levitates over the road. It features a pothole spotting camera that helps the suspension adapt to road imperfections in real time. It's a library quiet, sensory deprivation cocoon that makes you feel like part of the royal family. Interior, comfort, and cargo. An interior tailored for kings can be adorned with a custom artwork dash. Acres of wood, real metal accents, and vast expanses of supple leather cover nearly every square inch of the cabin. Rolls-Royce offers both a standard and long wheelbase version of the Phantom, the latter stretched by 8.6 inches, much of which results as additional rear seat legroom. Rear-hinged coach, doors open to allow graceful and dramatic arrivals and departures. Rear seat passengers can be treated to a myriad of luxuries such as deep pile carpeted floor mats, power-adjustable seats with massage, a refrigerated console compartment, and remote controls for the car's infotainment system. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. A Phantom owner's conspicuous consumption is matched by their car's penchant for consuming fuel. The EPA's fuel economy estimates run as low as 12 miles per gallon city, although the Phantom's 20 miles per gallon highway rating actually bests the smaller Rolls-Royce Ghosts by 2 miles per gallon. If we ever are lucky enough to have the chance to put the Phantom through our 200-mile highway fuel economy test, we'll update this story with test results. Safety and driver assistance features. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, almost certainly will never perform crash testing on the Phantom due to its low sales numbers and sky-high price tag. Its dizzying array of optional tech includes night vision and a distinct laser light system, but Rolls-Royce also offers more conventional driver assistance features such as forward collision and lane departure warning as standard. Key safety features include standard forward collision warning, standard lane departure warning, available adaptive cruise control with night vision, warranty and maintenance coverage. Like the Cullinan SUV and the Dawn convertible, the Phantom comes with Rolls-Royce's 4-year/unlimited mile warranty and maintenance package as standard. Limited warranty covers 4 years or unlimited miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or unlimited miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 4 years or unlimited miles. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel to see videos like this in future. Click the subscribe button and bell icon below. Thank you very much for watching this video.